Yo guys, got an announcement to make. I bought new shoes again, which we are gonna customize today. But there's a little bit of a problem. The sneaker wall behind me is full. There's no more space for the shoes, so we gotta upgrade that first before we get into the shoes. So I'm gonna take you, yes you, with me to the hardware store. I'm gonna get some stuff, upgrade that bitch, upgrade these bitches, and we'll call it a day. Deal? Nice. Ta-da! That's it. 6 new shelves. Only small problem is the print over there. It's sideways now, but I guess that's what you call issues. Yeah. Let's customize these. That's what you came for, right? Well, painting black shoes was pretty interesting. Not as easy as I thought it was gonna be, but they turned out pretty good, so I'm satisfied with that. I'm satisfied with the sneaker wall. We did a great job today. Let me know if you want me to give some sneakers away to you. Yes, you again, and I'll catch you the next time.